Is Zoom is very slow. Hello, greetings and salutations. My name's Sarah Jane Cruickshank, and I have not been on here for a little while to give you an update on how things are going. I am still a stay-at-home Forex trader and a full-time mother, and I am doing incredibly well. Thank you to the efforts and the support of our Ninja team. Now, the Ninja team, as you know, are the most incredible team within IM Academy, as we give you so many extra bonuses of support, help, training, indicators, live sessions, all that kind of crazy stuff. But recently, last couple of weeks, we have been doing something called the 7-day intensive for anybody that is either completely new to Forex or has been struggling with Forex for a long time and literally wants to strip it right back to bare basics and learn again from the start with brand new, vision, brand new ideas, an open mind, and how to learn to trade Forex. So I'm going to share my screen and just show you what the 7-day intensive is all about, and just to show you at the end as well the actual feedback we've had as regards to our 7-day intensive within the Ninja team. So I'm going to share my screen. We want this one here, right? Share. So when the computer wakes up, there we go. Right, so the 7-day intensive preview. Okay, here is the first video. So there are 7 videos that have been recorded for you. Okay, starting with right at the very beginning of brand new Forex traders, because a lot of people start Forex trading, they come in and they are just, their mind is just absolutely blown. And that's what happened to me, and that's what happens to everybody that joins and wants to learn Forex. There's so many things that you're bombarded with that you just get so confused, and you just, it's so hard to just go in the right direction and just follow steps. So we've broke that down for you to make it as easy as possible, because remember, this is a skill for life. Okay, we all start somewhere. Please don't compare your chapter 1 to somebody's chapter 30. Everybody starts here, right? So this is our 7-day intensive. Okay, so each day there was a Zoom meeting hosted by Paul Turner, who is one of the leaders in our group. Okay, and he has just gone through everything, and he's recorded these sessions, and they were incredibly informative, helpful. The newbies that came on were just like, this is what I needed. So also the group, it will talk you through how you can potentially pass a funded account challenge after practicing on demo using our Ninja trading system. Okay, now funded accounts are becoming more and more popular for people that want to learn to trade, and they've been trading a while with their own accounts, but they want to trade with more money. Basically, everybody wants to trade with bigger accounts. Now, there is a company that we use that literally will give you a £10,000 trading account if you can prove that you're a good, consistent trader, which we will teach you to do. They'll give you, say, a £10,000 account. They will go off and they'll say, right, trade that for us. Okay, and at the end of it, we will give you 80% of the profits that you make of a £10,000 trading account. Now, there are rules, there are stipulations that you need to follow, so you need to really dive into trading with regards to practice, get consistent, learn how to do proper risk management, proper lot sizes, and all that sort of stuff. Okay, but these accounts, people are passing these in our Ninja team, and people are trading with big accounts of money, and it's mind-blowing, the potential here. Okay, so we're going to talk you through how that is all possible, but we're not going to overwhelm you at the beginning. We're going to teach you how to trade first. Okay, you need to learn how to trade before you can do any of this kind of stuff. Right, so what will happen is, if you become a member within the Ninja Forex Traders team, if you become a member in my team, you will get put into this exclusive Ninja Forex Traders members group. Okay, this is on Facebook. Okay, you need to be on Facebook because this is in Facebook, right? Now, we have 527 Ninja members now. These are all people that are they're members of IM Academy that have joined within the team, and they are exclusive to our team. Okay, so you need to be you need to be sponsored by a Ninja to get into this group. Okay, you can't just join IM Academy and expect to get into this group. This group is exclusive for my team. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're signing up with somebody within the Ninja team to get access to this. Okay, so this is our Ninja Forex Traders team, and we have got some incredible guides. Now, the guide section is where all the golden nuggets are, right? So you'll work your way through this. So guide 1, what you must do to succeed. Okay, how to get into our Discord chat group, where there is trading ideas dropped in there, there's discussions dropped in there, there's results dropped in there, there are setups dropped in there. That is the golden Discord channel that you'll get into. Okay, so you get access there. Now, you've heard me talk about our exclusive indicator called the Ninjacator. You get access to the Ninjacator here. Okay, now you got a fast start guide. So we've got the basics: risk management, support and resistance, opening a trade, all the very, very bare basics. So the idea is you join, you come into here and you work your way through these guides. Okay, then what you do is you go over to your IM Academy and you go into your training academy and you work through your basics in there, because that is the gold that you need to be able to learn to trade. Okay, that is the training that you need to do. But here, look, our 7-day intensive is in guide 3. Now we have got 7 days in here, 7 days of an intensive course to get you profiting, to get you consistent, to get you learning, to get you, focused, and to stop the overwhelm. This is here. This is incredible, right? We've got our live trading schedule. We have live trading sessions within this Ninja group every day. So you can jump onto a session, you can watch the recordings, and you can trade along with us, because as you know, we trade together, we win together, we learn together, and we ask questions and we help each other. That's why we are such a good community. There's resources in this group. Okay, you've got mindset, you've got MT4 calculators, you've got the compounding spreadsheet, which I talk about a lot. The 10 pips a day compounding spreadsheet is in this group. You've got a compounding plan, you've got fast start bonus stuff, you've got the Ninja Matrix, the Ninjacator, and other indicators that are available to you as an exclusive. You've got multi-framed stochastic is in here. The overview, you've got the workbooks. There is unlimited. There is trainings, weekly setups. Look, we've got Jeff Goodwin's brilliant V70 if you're into trading gold. All that is in here. Okay, you've got your live session boot camps in here. So as you can see, being part of the Ninja Forex Traders, let me just stop sharing so I can talk to you properly. It is going to rocket you to success if you want to become a Forex trader. You have got us, okay? You've got the Ninja team to help and support you along the way. And you've got that exclusive group, which I can't recommend enough to people when they come in, because otherwise you'll join and you're just, you're lost. You're just like, where do I start? What do I do? It's all here, step by step, guide by guide. Right, so you can learn to become a successful Forex trader with us within the Ninja team, and it's such an incredible bonus. And you get to meet us, and you get to work with us, and you get to have fun with us, and you get to become a ninja. So that 7-day intensive is in there, and we have got a brand new one coming up as well. We're going to keep refreshing it because, as you know, things change. The markets are constantly moving. There's brand new little tweaks on indicators, there's brand new little things that come out, so we're going to keep doing those as well. So if you're interested in maybe introducing other people as well, you've got that to show them as well. So it's all good stuff. So don't forget, there is going to be links to join IM Academy and my team down below in the description. There is also going to be a link down there to come and join my personal Facebook group called Making Sense of Forex Trading, where we can connect a little bit better. You can get to see some of the results and that sort of thing. Oh, there's one thing I was going to show you, actually, just some testimonies from our 7-day intensive. So let me just go back to share screen. That one there, because I did promise I was going to show you some of the results, didn't I? So I've got that. Is it up here? Where did I save it on my desktop? Let me just look. Aha, here we go. This is the 7-day intensive. Right, so this is some of the feedback we got. So somebody's extremely grateful. Right, I've been in a couple of groups in the past, but mainly offered only signals and didn't teach me how to be successful with signals. When they did teach other strategies, it was overwhelming to look at their charts. Exactly. People get so overwhelmed. This training was exactly what I needed. For the first time, I have confidence with practice and tools provided along with the Ninja group. I will be successful. Never been great at referring people, but if anyone wants to learn how to be a successful Forex trader, I will literally lend them here. So literally they're going to send them there. Right? I think I meant send there. Just full of it. I loved how you showed the multiple tools. Paul has a very unique way of communicating, simple manner that he can understand, clear, simple strategies, great teaching and explaining of how easy it is to get 10 pips and be done for the day. Do more boot camps. This was done really well. Great job. Somebody wanted to remove the grid lines. Maybe their eyes were getting a bit confused on the charts, but we've taken that into account. How to place trades and where to put a stop loss for the 10 pips profit was excellent. So this goes on and on and on. Can't thank you enough. This system is amazing. 2 wins on demo so far. This session was amazing. Great session. Very informative. 9 out of 10 trades won because of the 7-day intensive. Great sessions today. This is just, you know, great session as always, Paul. Back to bare bones basics. I need to focus on the NTS, which is the Ninja trading system. Get a trading plan down and follow it. I know I speak for all members, you and all the live traders do a fantastic job and can't wait for the next session. Great session, mate. There you go, look. So people are loving this. 30 minutes, 55 pips, boom, Ninja trading system, guys. Stop share. So you want to do our 7-day intensive? All you need to do is come and join the team, and currently they are offering a 50% discount on joining as well, so take advantage of that. You can come and join us and come and get in that 7-day intensive. And don't forget, if you come in and you really don't think it's for you and you don't think Forex trading is the way you want to go forward in life, then they do offer, IM Academy offer a 7-day money back guarantee. So what have you got to lose? Come in, do your 7-day intensive. If it's not for you, can't imagine how you would ever think it was not for you after doing your 7-day intensive, then you could get your money back from IM Academy. So you've got nothing to lose. So I look forward to seeing you in my team. I can't wait to work with you. I can't wait to welcome you into the Ninjas. So follow the links below. And I'm going to be doing lots more trainings on YouTube as well, trying to show you some of the NTS and Ninja trading systems, some of the things we're looking at, some of our indicators and that sort of stuff as well. So stay tuned. And if you're not already, please subscribe down below and turn on that little notification bell so you get notified when I do post a video. Thank you very much. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the group, hopefully. Bye-bye.